You came in from the dog and sat down. Of course, you got to sit down at some point anyway.
Yeah, I did stretch after the ride.
That's good.
Figured, did a mile jog and I did a mile walk. So
That makes some really good shotgun sight.
it does.
This is now a house clearing gun. For sure. A little on the intimidating side, just held down.
Just looking at all the freaking lights that come on now.
It's like,
Yeah, the blinking red light there.
that's because I'm recording with a video cam.
Oh,
I've got a gun camera going that actually has a BLM sticker on the side of it that looks like it says LOVE.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, oh yeah,
So,
there it is.
If you're recording, should I stick in my gut and try to look all manly and shit?
Well, I'm not going to actually point this directly at you because I do like you.
Yeah, please don't
And
like me.
I might occasionally...
I just don't want to show my gun.
Yeah, I might occasionally flag because I wasn't used to having the luxury of space around me when I was dealing with other people around weapons.
Yes, may arrive.
Okay. Okay. You get your shower. And I won't go over there like this going, oh, y'all are here to stay, huh?
You must be Melinda.